Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing unboxing of the Hot Wheels Marvel Disney 100 year anniversary Iron Man. 3+ pieces from Mattel. Here's the bag. Here's the other ones you can get: Iron Man, which I got, Spider-Man. Let's open it up. Here's Iron Man out of the packaging. His 4 wheels, Hot Wheels logo, and Iron Man. And I know the color, and I know it's cool. It's a red car. Front, side, the side, and the back. I like Hot Wheels the most, if you know. I know many people love Hot Wheels, that you can be the coolest thing ever. And you know what happens if there are other ones to collect? It's probably the coolest thing ever. Now that's why that's why we're gonna do everything nice. And that's why is the It's the coolest thing ever. Now that's what we're gonna do about it. Thanks for watching box of the Hot Wheels Marvel Disney 100 year anniversary Iron Man.